Hello and welcome to Currently Caffeinating. Today's going to be a food review. I decided to get the new Ghost Pepper Whopper from Burger King. So let's try it out. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. Got the jalapenos, the queso, the cheese, bacon, and the colorful bun. All right, so let's dig in. Not too bad so far. Got a good flavor to it. I feel a little bit of the spice. Not too hot just yet. It may start to kick in. The jalapenos are a bit crispy and crunchy. The cheese is really good. The bacon's not bad. I like spicy food. It's not that spicy just yet. Like I said, it may start to kick in the more I eat it. I do feel a little bit of the spice, but it's not overwhelming or anything at this point. But I did get me a Coke, and using the app, I was able to get any size fries. It's supposed to be a large fries, but I'm gonna wait and save those for after my sandwich. All right, so the more I started eating, it started getting a little bit more spicier, starting to feel it kick in. It does have a kick to it, based on your tolerance level. I mean, I do like hot food, spicy foods. This one does have a little kick to it. You know, some people it may not be that hot. Others, it may be really hot, really spicy. But for being ghost peppers, it's not, to me, it's not extremely spicy or hot, but it does have a kick to it. And the more I started eating it, the more I started to feel it. And it kind of lingers a little bit. So I'm still feeling it now. It's a bit spicy. As you can see, I still have a little bit more to go. So let me finish this up and then I'll see how I feel then. As you can see, I finished the burger. So, like I said, it does have a little bit of a kick to it. It does kind of linger a while after you've eaten it. And like I said, you know, a lot of people who like really spicy foods probably won't think this is very spicy. I'm kind of middle of the road when it comes to that, but it does, like I said, it does have a little bit of a kick to it. It does kind of last a little bit afterwards after you eat it. But to me, it's not like overwhelmingly spicy where, you know, your mouth is on fire and you can't stand it. But it does pack a little bit of a punch for me, but I liked it. And of course, it's one of those novelty items that I don't know if it's something I would get all the time if they had it on the menu. But, you know, it was good to try out, and I liked it. And I guess for the most part, if I was to give it a rating, like from 1 to 10, I'd probably give it about a 8.5. This is currently caffeinating. Thanks for watching my food review. And remember, always stay caffeinated.